here's the mirror that I just got. I really like how it's easily like swivelable. Like literally it takes like no effort to like flip it to the other side, which is pretty cool function. Also, it's like really lightweight as well, so that makes it like more portable. So I like that. And like the screen of the mirror is like pretty big, so that's like really useful in like doing makeup because I can see my whole face, which is pretty awesome. And then it also has another, on the other side there's like a 10 times magnifying thing. That's also pretty useful as well because like if I'm doing something like really like detail, then that would definitely be useful. Standability. Yeah, it easily balances on its own on a flat surface, which is good because some mirrors don't do that. So, good find.